Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Kraken for beginners. If you're new to cryptocurrency and using a platform like Kraken might feel confusing at first, but it is actually quite simple once you understand the basics. Kraken is a secure and beginner-friendly crypto exchange where you can buy, sell, and manage digital currencies. First, open your Kraken app on your device and make sure to sign up and verify email and complete your identity verification as well. And this step is required to unlock deposits and trading. Over here, you can tap on the transfer or buy crypto by tapping there. And over here, you can also transfer or withdraw it by simply tapping on the bottom. And you can also withdraw your cash, receive crypto, or you can send a crypto by sending a QR as well. And make sure to deposit your money. And over here on the bottom right, we can find there's an option for the buy crypto. Tap on the buy crypto, and you can also choose a coin popular beginner options BTC, Ethereum, and enter the amount and tap there. And if you already have not set it up with KYC, you can also continue adding your phone number and continue for the verification as well. And that is it. This is how you can use Kraken app for beginners. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.